Oh my gosh, I was sitting between Andrea Unger and Patrick on the stage by IFTA conference in Frankfurt. Here you can see on the stage all the prize winners and champions of Trading World Cup Championship. And I was between Andrea Unger and Patrick here. So my small dream become true. So I was on the same stage, and when I spoke, they listened to me, and when they spoke, I listened to them. So this was a very nice experience. And here you can see I also met John Bollinger. So this was also a great moment. I think everybody knows Bollinger Band. This is the guy who developed Bollinger Band. There was by IFTA conference with his daughter, and they both spoke on this stage. So this was also very nice experience to listen to John Bollinger and to take a picture together. So I had also my speech on the stage, and the topic was how to think like a pro. So, and this was also later a discussion on the stage when we were sitting together, all the champions and prize winners of Trading World Cup. And end of the day, we enjoyed our time together by a German restaurant with German schnitzel, and drank also German snaps. Laughed together and exchange about trading, about mindset, about families and kids. This was very nice time, which creates remember for the rest of the life. If you want to become profitable in trading, spend time with other profitable traders. And if you are already profitable, it makes sense also to spend time with other profitable traders. It will help you to stay ahead and also will create great moments and great experience which will make your life more interesting. So now let's speak about my trading results from the last trading week, and I will also speak about a trade. I will show you a trade what I planned for the coming trading week. On the right side you can see profits per week, and as you can see the last week was a losing week. I lost $9,590. I trade overall 3 swing trading strategies, CFTC1, CFTC2 and Contra pattern strategy. Here you can see with CFTC1 trading strategy, so I didn't do any trades. The trading result is 0. But CFTC2 trading strategy, I started in the last trading week with an empty portfolio, and I ended up the week with 2 new trades, new positions in my portfolio, and I made also 2 other trades where I was stopped out. The weekly trading result is $9,590. Here you can see my first stop out. So this was in Australian dollar. I risked 0.3% of my trading account. I was stopped out with a loss of $4,550. Here Mexican peso, also the same story. I lost $5,040. And here you can see my open trade in cocoa. I risk here 1% of my trading account, and here you can see my trade in platinum. So I risk here 0.3% of my trading account. So with my small account, I was stopped out by Mexican peso. The loss is $429. So in here you can see my Contra pattern strategy. You remember from last video, I showed you a open trade in Japanese yen, what I made after I was stopped out with CFTC1 trading strategy. So because the pattern failed, the breakout failed, and in this case I used another strategy. The name of this strategy is Contra pattern strategy, to profit from the fail breakout. And as you can see, my trade from the last trading week, what I showed you last week as an open trade, was hit the price target, and I made profit of $7,406. I risk with this kind of trades just 0.3% of my trading account. And as promised before, here's a trade for the common trading week. We have here CFT index in the buy zone. So we have support, we have a range in crude oil. So the next step to check the seasonality. So seasonality for the next 2-3 weeks in our favor, but then we see seasonality, downward trend in seasonality. So on daily chart, you can see here the trend line, and this trend line was broken. So, and I decided to place my order to open a trade when the price will go over the high of Friday plus 1 tick. So you see my entry price is the blue one, my stop loss price is the red one, and my price target is the green one by 79.81. This is my trade for the common trading week. That's it for today. Thank you very much for your time. See you on the market. Your Max Schulz.